Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a random for a 3-box baseball mixer. All names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize it 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, good luck to everyone. Everybody wants the Dodgers and Angels. But you did get the Nationals, Ed. Alright. Let's roll off these names. Todd M with the D-backs. Todd has a lot of spots in here, guys. Todd with the Braves. Ryan C with the Orioles. Todd with the Red Sox. Ed with the Cubbies. Megan with the White Sox. Again, Megan. Lewis with the Reds. Ryan with the Indians. Brian with the Rockies. Jonathan S with the Tigers. Brian with the Astros. Joseph T with the Royals. Todd M with the Angels. Jonathan S with the Dodgers. Todd M with the Marlins. Todd M with the Brewers. Todd M with the Twins. Jonathan S with the Mets. Lewis C with the Yankees. Michelle J, first timer, welcome. You have the Oakland A's. Todd M with the Phillies. Brian with the Pirates. Lewis with the Padres. Todd with the Giants. Brian with the Mariners. Todd with the Cardinals. Todd with the Rays. Chris with the Rangers. Todd M with the Blue Jays. Ed with the Nationals. Alright guys, there you have it. Don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com, and follow me on Twitter @thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!